welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to show you what's the difference between pencil and charcoal. So many people out there have doubts about both of them and what's the difference between both of them, pencil and charcoal. So in this video I'm going to clear out these doubts because on my Instagram account there were so many people out there who ordered some portraits and they were a little bit confused about both of the techniques and mediums. So I will clear it today in this video, and stay connected with me till the end of the video. And before diving in, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and let's get started. So here I have taken a reference picture and I am drawing it by only a normal pencil. In this video I am going to show you the pencil sketch and then the charcoal sketch, so you can make out the difference. And also the first major point of pencil sketch is it is lighter than the charcoal. After giving the outlines on the sketch I am merging with the stump, and I have provided the link before in my earlier videos, so you can get this stump in my previous videos link.
I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you?
I'm using now the graphite pencil of Liberty. It's a normal graphite pencil. You can find out nearby to your art stores. And as you can see, I have completed the eyes and now I'm doing the nose, the lips, and I'm roughly doing the shading in the background of the hairs. And this face is lighter, so I'm doing the darker shade in the background. So this is the pencil sketch, and now we will start with the charcoal sketch. Firstly, I am drawing the outline of this picture only with the help of pencil. And now I'm using the charcoal pencil of Nerosoft. I'll provide you the link in the description box of this charcoal pencil and you can buy it from there. It's of affordable price and it's not so much expensive. And now I'm doing the shading in the lips, and I have done in the eyes, nose. And whenever you do charcoal, make sure you do it with a lighter pressure of your hand, because if you maintain a hard pressure on with your hand, the sheet will spoil also. And charcoal is much darker than the pencil. Reason being it's so much darker is it's a form of coal. This pencil is made up of coal. So in the background I have done the pencil strokes. And now as you can see, there is a huge difference in pencil and charcoal. The pencil is lighter than charcoal and charcoal is so much darker. So this is the final picture. And if you haven't not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you haven't yet followed me on Instagram, You can follow me up on Instagram. So meet you till next Saturday. Until then, bye bye. I hope you really like this video and you find this video helpful.